So, so can you please tell what happened in Old Goa?
See, in Old Goa, suddenly people saw few days back that heavy machinery has come and they cleared a lot of items in a heritage place, no development zone which comes under the Archaeological Survey of India. There is a buffer zone there. So they violated everything. They cleared so much of material. There were the ruins of an old church, 400 years old. There was a wall which was 400 years old. Brutally, senselessly, they've just bulldozed. Then they found cannon balls there, which is of great significance. The rulers came. What was the conquest? What was the type of weapons or ammunition used? This is of very great significance. And in the garb of constructing some building under the Prasad scheme. See, we are not against the scheme. Maybe it is well-intentioned, good intention, but you have destroyed it. They have not taken the objections raised by the village panchayat. Then there is a Save Old Goa Action Committee. They have raised objection. Now we have come to know the church authorities. Almost 2-3 years back, they had raised objection. They had asked questions, clarifications, which has not been given by the authorities. So I have just submitted. This is the letter I have submitted to the Honorable Minister for Tourism and Culture, because archaeology comes under the Minister of Culture, and I am also the member of the Consultative Committee for Tourism and Culture. I have explained everything. Plus today, the district president of the Congress Party, South Goa, Mr. Savio De Silva, he hand carried all these documents, photographs and everything, which was submitted by the Panchayat and the committee members of the Save Old Goa Action Committee. So it came handy. I submitted to the minister and we have requested to scrap the project.